Hi my loves! In today's video, I'm going to show you a DIY extremely powerful belly fat dissolving green juice drink that works wonders and you're not going to have to change anything else. Now before I share this belly fat recipe, make sure to subscribe if you're new, thumbs up this video, and check my links below. Alright, so get a pen and paper, make sure you watch all the way through and write down notes because I'm going to show you how to make and how to drink, which is most important, this DIY belly fat remover, how to dissolve belly fat, stubborn fat, and just how to lose weight instantly and lean out, de-bloat. This sounds too good to be true, but I promise it's not, and there's a ton of added health benefits with this drink, so let's get into it. Now, the main magical ingredient is celery, but it is a little more complex. You want to really make sure you use the right amount of celery so you can get that instant result, but we'll get into that a little later. But I recommend loading up on at least 3 to 4 stalks, especially for your first round, because you're going to want to do a minimum of 16 ounces. And real quick, if you're listening to this, comment in the comments section if you've ever tried celery juice or not, but I'll get into the exact measurements later in the video when we make it. For now, the main thing you'll need is celery, and another huge hack and way you can do it is by buying pre-washed, pre-cut organic celery sticks. I usually use the Dandy brand, but anyone will do. Real quick before I jump right into the steps, I just want to let you guys know, because it's so important to understand what you're drinking, that there are also a lot of added benefits from celery. It can lower cholesterol, fight free radicals, help with kidney stones, cancer, blood pressure, migraines. So even if you're doing this, let's say just for aesthetic reasons, it's actually going to help you health-wise. So try to get your parents on this, your friends on this. There's just so many great benefits. Now let's make it. So first, what I like to do is really rinse the celery if I'm using regular stalks that are not pre-cut or pre-washed. It is so important. I like to even scrub it down with paper towels. You just don't want any type of chemicals, dirt, or bacteria on your celery because you are going to be drinking all of this. And there's no need to remove the stems. You just want to make sure you wash it thoroughly. Now, since you do need to drink this drink as soon as you wake up on an empty stomach, it is very important to do this process fast, but a little hack is you can pre-wash all of your celery the night before and just put it in a paper towel, place it in a Ziploc bag so it can be ready for you to juice in the morning, or you could just take the time to do it right when you wake up. Now, in order to make the juice, it is so important to invest in a nice, slow processing juicer. I will link mine down below. I got it from Amazon. It was under $100. There are some that are so much more expensive, but if you don't have a juicer and you want to start this right away, you can start with a blender, but I just find juicing it gives you such better results because it actually removes the fiber and gives you all of the nutrients and good stuff that you need. So when it comes to making the green juice, it's super simple. I don't chop them up. I don't do anything. I just wash them and apply them into the juicer, and it will take you a little bit of time, but you will notice more and more juice coming out. By the way, if you're watching right now, comment 3.45 minute mark in the comment section so I can see who my true subscribers are and show you so much love. So when it comes to how much celery juice you need, I refer to what the medical medium, if you guys don't know who he is an all-natural doctor, and he's the one who kind of discovered the benefits of celery juice, or at least who I learned it from, and he recommends at least 16 ounces in one go. So you want to make sure you make a minimum of 16 ounces. The more you get used to it, you can even go up to like 20 ounces. Some people do 24 ounces, but I would definitely start with the minimum of 16. So that should fill a very tall cup. And another important thing you need to know is you need to drink this in the morning on a completely empty stomach and as fast as possible. So as soon as you make this celery juice, you want to make sure you pour it into a cup right away and drink it fast. This is going to give you the most potent effect and help all of those nutrients and benefits get into your system at once to help dissolve fat cells. Now, I also want to warn you, it has a very diuretic effect, so you want to make sure you don't go anywhere for at least an hour after drinking. Then you can go about your normal routine, the normal things you eat, and you guys are going to notice results either instantly that night or by the next day. Just keep doing it. Let me know in the comments below your experience, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Anita Samantha. Check out my ebook with a ton more tips down below, and subscribe, thumbs up this video, and I'll see you very soon for a new one. Love you guys. Mwah.